Hey there, welcome back. My name's Justin. This is my truck. This is a 99 Ford F-450 with a 7.3 diesel. Today we're going to be working on my plow. For whatever reason, after I go for a ride with it up and then arrive at a property and to drop it back down to plow, it doesn't want to work anymore. I think I have a short going on. I ordered a new set of plugs, or the connectors rather, which are here, which connects the controller. If you look at the switch with it being on, you can kind of see how there's a short. So I ordered the new plugs here, but I think for the time being, until they get here, I'm going to cut these plugs out and then just use some butt connectors and connect these wires together. So essentially it would be hardwired in, and then just to see if this actually fixed the problem. I did order a brand new switch, which was very expensive, and it does not work. All right, like I said, I had bought a new controller, which is here. This is literally brand new. Part number 1273. And when I unplug this and plug this in, give me 1 second. I am not coordinated enough to. Here we go. So that's plugged in now. When I turn this on, of course, power's on. Okay, nothing works. You can hear me hitting the, see the plug is, so I think the short is in one of these connectors here. So I see the lights off again. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these plugs off and just basically hardwire this together to see if my short is actually in these connectors. Now, I guess basically just to give a tip, of course you can do it however you want, but I took a photo of this together on my phone to, see how it's laid out. I'm also videoing right now, so I could also look back at the video. But then I also did it a step further, and I wrote down which wire is connected to which wire, per the connector. You definitely want to make sure these are hooked back up correct. So I'm going to cut these off, and then we're just going to put them together and hardwire. The actual connectors, they should be here. They should be here today, I think. But if not, they'll be here soon. And then the wires will get put back into the connectors, and then it'll be an actual, you know, connection like this. So yeah. Just gonna snip these all off. And another thing too you could do is you could cut your wires a little long, kind of like what you see there. And then when you cut them a little long on this side, like that. Probably should disconnect the battery tube before you do this. But then you can put your plug together and you can see which wire is hooked to which wire as well. So it's just another way of doing it. But yeah. All right. Let's tape off of here. So I'm just going to use my note that I wrote down here. So black and red to black. So this connector will have its own. Which will be the male. Good and tight. And then we're going to put the female on the side. Slide that baby in there. Squeeze that. Good. And then that way we can connect these together like this. And then I can run some tape around them. All right, that is all hardwired in. Now let's see if this fixes our problem. Connectors are good too. Plenty of dielectrical grease. All right. All right, those are all hardwired in. Turn power on, keys on, power, perfect. Plow. Up, down, left, right. I think that may have fixed our problem here. I say I'm going to take it for another little ride because it seems like vibration is what causes it to not work afterwards. 98,000 miles on a 99. Pretty good if you ask me. actually works better than it did before. So yeah, my recommendation would be, if you're in this predicament having these kinds of issues, is I would first check, you know, your connector plugs. You can get them, you know, you should be able to get them right through your manufacturer. This particular manufacturer is Fisher. My dealer could get them for me, but I also found them on Amazon. So they should be arriving soon, and then I will, you know, update and show them on. But essentially this is, you know, this is the same thing, and this could work as well too. So we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.